Who thinks we can eliminate the need for total knee replacement by the year 2044, which is 20 years from now? We do. At Victory in Motion, with our knee repair, not knee replacement, trademarked brand, philosophy, and programs, we feel this is possible. If you go back and look at 1961, May of 1961, John F. Kennedy challenged the country to put a man on the moon by the end of the decade and bring him back. And that was accomplished basically 8 years later in July of 1969. So if that can be done with 1960s technology back then, and we still haven't done it since about 1972, by the way. So if that can be done in 1960s technology, there's no reason 20 years from now we can't eliminate the need for metal, plastic, and cement going into somebody's knee. So we feel it is possible. It's going to take a lot. There's a lot of things that are even not developed at this point, but it can be done. It will be done. And our goal is to make sure that gets done by 2044.